Good morning one and all. In continuation of previous class, today we will discuss some other problems on Lagrange's method of multipliers to find maximum and minimum values. Let us see our first question. Find the maximum and minimum values of the function 3x plus 4y on the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 using Lagrange's method of multipliers. So this is the question. Then the solution. So here the given function is f of x comma y equal to 3x plus 4y. This is equation number 1. And given circle is x square plus y square equal to 1. So this can be written as x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So for maximum and minimum values, we have to find out first order partial derivatives of given function, that is df equal to. So here f equal to 3x plus 4y, then df equal to 3 into dx plus 4 into dy. So for finding maximum and minimum values, we have to equate the first order partial derivatives to the 0, that is 3 dx plus 4 dy equal to 0. This is equation number 3. And differentiating equation to partially with respect to x and y, we get 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Now multiplying equation 3 with 1 and multiplying equation 4 with lambda and adding these two equations, that is 1 into 3 dx plus 4 dy plus lambda into 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. Then taking dx as common, that is 3 plus 2x lambda into dx plus 4 plus 2y lambda into dy equal to 0. Now equating the coefficients of dx and dy to the 0. So for finding the values of lambda, that is 3 plus 2x lambda equal to 0 and 4 plus 2y lambda equal to 0. This is equation number 5. That implies 3 plus 2 lambda x equal to 0, 4 plus 2 lambda y equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 3 by 2 lambda and y equal to minus 4 by 2 lambda. This is equation number 6. Now substituting these x and values in equation 2, we get, so equation 2 is x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 3 by 2 lambda whole square plus minus 4 by 2 lambda whole square minus 1 equal to 0. That is 9 by 4 lambda square plus 16 by 4 lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. That is that implies 25 by 4 lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. Then 25 minus 4 lambda square equal to 0. Then 4 lambda square equal to 25 and lambda square equal to 25 by 4. Then lambda equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. That is plus or minus root 25 by 4. Root 25 is 5 and root 4 is 2. Therefore lambda equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. So here we get two values of lambda, that is plus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Then substituting these lambda values in equation 6, we get x equal to minus 3 by 2 lambda minus 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. So this is when lambda equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. And y equal to minus 4 by 2 lambda, 2 into 5 by 2, 2 get cancelled, minus 4 by 2. Now when lambda equal to minus 5 by 2, that is x equal to minus 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. That is minus minus get cancelled, 3 by 5. And y equal to minus 4 by 2 into minus 5 by 2, 2 get cancelled and minus minus get cancelled. So plus 4 by 5. So here we get x equal to minus 3 by 5, y equal to minus 4 by 5. And x equal to 3 by 5 and y equal to 4 by 5. Now substituting these x and values in given function, that is f equal to 3x plus 4y. When x equal to minus 3 by 5 and y equal to minus 4 by 5, that is f equal to 3 into x value minus 3 by 4, 3 by 5 plus 4 into y minus 4 by 5. So 3 into minus 3 minus 9 by 5 minus 16 by 5, that is minus 25 by 5, that is 5 is 25. So f equal to minus 5. This is when x equal to minus 3 by 5 and y equal to minus 4 by 5. So this is the minimum value of the given function. And when x equal to 3 by 5 and y equal to 4 by 5, substituting in equation 1, that is f equal to 3 into 3 by 5 plus 4 into 4 by 5, 9 by 5 plus 16 by 5, that is 25 by 5, that equal to 5. So here we get positive number, that is f equal to 1. So in this case, that is for 3 by 5 comma 4 by 5, the given function has maximum value, that is 5. Now our next problem is find the maxima and minima of x square plus y square plus z square subject to the conditions ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1 and lx plus my plus mz equal to 0. So here the given function is in 3 variables. So the solution. So here the given function u equal to x square plus y square plus z square. This is equation number 1. And the given conditions, subject to the conditions ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1 and lx plus my plus nz equal to 0. This is equation number 2 and equation number 3. So here they given conditions, 2 conditions for finding the maximum or minimum values. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to x comma y comma z, that is du equal to 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz, that equal to 0. So for finding maximum or minimum values, we have to equate the first order partial derivatives to the 0, that is taking 2 as common, x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0, that is equation number 4. Now differentiating equations. So here the 2 conditions ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1 and lx plus my plus nz equal to 0. Differentiating equations 2 and 3 with respect to x comma y comma z, that is 2ax dx plus 2by dy plus 2cz dz equal to 0. Taking 2 as common, then the equation becomes ax dx plus by dy plus cz dz equal to 0. This is equation number 5. And next ldx plus mdy plus ndz equal to 0. This is equation number 6. Now multiplying equation 4 by 1, equation 5 by lambda 1 and equation 6 by lambda 2 and adding, we get 1 into x dx plus y dy plus z dz plus lambda 1 into ax dx plus by dy plus cz dz plus lambda 2 into ldx plus mdy plus ndz equal to 0. Then taking dx dy dz as common, x plus lambda 1 ax plus lambda 2 l into dx. Then dy terms y plus by lambda 1 plus lambda 2 m into dy plus z plus lambda 1 cz plus lambda 2 n into dz equal to 0. Now equating the coefficients of dx dy dz to the 0, that is x plus lambda 1 ax plus lambda 2 l equal to 0 and y plus lambda 1 by plus lambda 2 m equal to 0, z plus lambda 1 cz plus lambda 2 n equal to 0. So this is equation number 7. And multiplying these equations by x, y, z respectively and adding. Now multiplying this first equation with x, second equation with y and third equation with z. X into x square plus lambda 1 ax square plus lambda 2 lx plus y square plus lambda 1 by square plus lambda 2 my plus z square plus lambda 1 cz square plus lambda 2 nz equal to 0. Now x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda 1, taking lambda 1 as common, ax square plus by square plus cz square plus lambda 2 into lx plus my plus nz, that equal to 0. From equations 1 and 2 we have u equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1, and lx plus my plus nz equal to 0. Now substituting this u plus lambda 1 into 1 plus lambda 2 into 0 equal to 0, then u plus lambda 1 equal to 0, then lambda 1 equal to minus u. Now this substituting these lambda 1 value in equation 7, we get, so equation 7 is x plus lambda 1 ax plus lambda 2 l equal to 0, y plus lambda 1 by plus lambda 2 m equal to 0, z plus lambda 1 cz plus lambda 2 n equal to 0. Then substituting x plus lambda 1 is x minus u into ax plus lambda 2 l equal to 0, y plus lambda 1, that is y minus u by plus lambda 2 m equal to 0, then z minus u cz plus lambda 2 n equal to 0. Then from these three equations we have to find out x, y, z values. So now taking x as common, x into 1 minus au equal to minus l into lambda 2. From this taking y as common, y into 1 minus bu equal to minus m into lambda 2. From this taking z as common, that is 1 minus cu into z equal to minus n into lambda 2. Then x equal to, from this equation we can write x equal to minus l lambda 2 by 1 minus au, and y equal to minus m lambda 2 by 1 minus bu, and z equal to minus n lambda 2 by 1 minus c. So these are the values of x, y, z. Now substituting these x, y, z values in equation 3, that is, so equation 3 is lx plus my plus nz equal to 0. So in this equation we have to substitute x, y, z values, that is l into x minus l into lambda 2 by 1 minus au plus m into y minus m lambda 2 by 1 minus bu plus n into minus n lambda 2 by 1 minus u, that equal to 0. So here l into l minus l square lambda 2 by 1 minus au minus m square lambda 2 by 1 minus bu minus n square lambda 2 by 1 minus cu, that equal to 0. So here in the denominator we can take minus as common, that is minus of au minus 1 minus of bu minus 1 minus of cu minus 1. So here in the numerator also we have minus, so minus minus get cancelled, l square. So this equation becomes l square lambda 2 by au minus 1 plus m square lambda 2 by bu minus 1 plus n square lambda 2 by cu minus 1 equal to 0. So here lambda 2 is common, that is lambda 2 into l square by au minus 1 plus m square by bu minus 1 plus n square by cu minus 1 equal to 0. So that is lambda 2 into l square by au minus 1 m square by bu minus 1 plus n square by cu minus 1 equal to 0. Here lambda 2 equal to 0. Therefore l square by au minus 1 plus m square by bu minus 1 plus n square by cu minus 1 equal to 0. So which gives the maximum and minimum values of the function u. Next question, find the minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square subject to the condition ax plus by plus cz equal to p. So here the given function x square plus y square plus z square, and the given condition is ax plus by plus cz equal to p. So u equal to x square plus y square plus z square is equation number 1, and ax plus by plus cz equal to p, this is equation number 2. So for finding maximum or minimum value we have to equate the first order partial derivatives with respect to u comma y, with respect to x comma y comma z equating to the 0, and multiplying equation 1 with 1 and equation 2 with lambda, so that, so ux, differentiation of u with respect to x, 2x plus lambda a equal to 0 and uy equal to 0, that is 2y plus lambda b equal to 0, 2z plus lambda c equal to 0. Then lambda equal to minus 2x by a, lambda equal to minus 2y by b, lambda equal to minus 2z by c. Then lambda values are minus 2x by a, minus 2y by b, minus 2z by c. So here minus 2 is common. Then x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c. Then let x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c equal to k. Then x by a equal to k, y by b equal to k, z by c equal to k. That is x equal to ak or kf, y equal to kb, z equal to kc. These are the values of x and y and z values. And the given condition is ax plus by plus cz equal to p. That is a into ka plus b into kb plus c into kc, that equal to p. A square k plus b square k plus c square k equal to p. So taking k as common, a square plus b square plus c square equal to p. Then k equal to p by a square plus b square plus c. So this is the value of k. So for finding the minimum value of the given function, substituting x, y, z and this k value in equation in the given function, that is x square plus y square plus z square equal to x value k into a or ak whole square plus bk whole square plus ck whole square, that is a square k square, b square k square plus c square k square. Taking k square as common, a square plus b square plus c square. And k value, we know the k value is p by a square plus b square plus c square. That is p by a square plus b square plus c square whole square into a square plus b square plus c square. P square into a square plus b square plus c square by a square plus b square plus c square whole square. That is, here a square plus b square plus c square and a square plus b square plus c square get cancelled. So remaining p square by a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the minimum value of the given function x square plus y square plus z square.